What makes the Sauna Place different? Some say decades of expertise with a personal touch. But for over 20 years, the Sauna Place has set itself apart through a blend of deep expertise and genuine hospitality. We've been dedicated to merging European luxury with Southern charm and American craftsmanship, making saunas and steam showers an accessible luxury for every home or commercial space. Unlike many impersonal retailers, the Sauna Place is a family-owned business rooted in Cookeville, Tennessee. We pride ourselves on being approachable sauna experts you can actually talk to. Our team's philosophy pairs affordable pricing with customer service that exudes Southern hospitality, forging lasting relationships and providing steadfast support for all of your sauna needs. In short, when you choose the Sauna Place, you're not just buying a sauna, you're gaining a partner with decades of knowledge, warm personal service, and a passion for wellness. This commitment to customer care and quality has even earned us recognition among America's fastest growing private companies. But our biggest reward is helping you create the perfect sauna experience. Heritage saunas, accessible quality for everyone. One way we stand out is through our exclusive Heritage Sauna line, a collection of saunas designed to be approachable, affordable, and high quality. As the in-house pre-built brand of the Sauna Place, Heritage Sauna reflects our mission to bring the health and happiness of sauna bathing to new buyers and seasoned enthusiasts alike. What makes Heritage different from generic sauna kits? First, quality wood. Unlike many suppliers who offer mixed grades of lumber, we use only premium grade wood in Heritage builds, ensuring superior aesthetics and lasting durability. Next, user-friendly design. Heritage outdoor saunas are shipped in flat pack kits optimized for easy DIY assembly. You don't have to be a contractor. We provide clear instructions so homeowners and builders alike can assemble our saunas in just a few hours. This efficient design keeps costs down without compromising quality, truly delivering luxury at a more accessible price point. Heritage saunas come in a range of styles, from classic barrel saunas to modern cube designs, and sizes to fit any backyard or wellness space. And because Heritage is our own brand, we've poured our decades of know-how into every model, meaning you get great value, reliable performance, and the full backing of our legendary customer support. Whether you're a homeowner dreaming of your first sauna or a wellness center needing a cost-effective solution, Heritage Saunas make it easy to join the sauna lifestyle without sacrifice. The Sauna Place offers Cedro Sauna, our custom manufactured luxury line that truly sets us apart from other sauna providers. Cedro Sauna is the epitome of luxury and craftsmanship, delivering an authentic, high-end sauna experience made from the finest quality wood. We're proud that Cedro is the first American luxury sauna brand crafted right here in Tennessee by our skilled artisans. In fact, for more than 2 decades, our craftsmen have been building ultimate custom saunas and relaxation areas for the biggest names in hospitality and sports, as well as intimate private homes, a testament to the trust elite clients place in our work. Every Cedro sauna is one-of-a-kind creation that blends breathtaking design with superior function. We design each sauna with beauty and performance in mind, achieving exceptional heat retention and a touch of elegance to your space. Cedro saunas can be fully customized to your desires, from layout and bench configurations to an unmatched selection of wood types and finishes. Whether you prefer classic Western red cedar, fragrant hemlock, smooth alder, or even exotic thermally modified woods like magnolia wood, Cedro gives you options that other brands simply can't offer. Our wood selection is handpicked for quality, so the result is not only stunning to look at, but built to last. To top it off, we make installation convenient. Cedro saunas come with key elements prefabricated, benches, wall panels, etc., and materials pre-cut in our shop, so your contractor can quickly assemble your dream sauna on site. The Cedro line exudes elegance and delivers exactly what the customer envisions. It's bespoke luxury with the dependable craftsmanship of an American workshop. When you step into a Cedro sauna, you feel the difference immediately. The rich aroma of quality wood, the fine attention to detail, and the ambiance of a personal spa retreat. This is the level of luxury that truly sets the Sauna Place apart from run-of-the-mill sauna suppliers. Unmatched quality, selection, and relationships. Ultimately, what makes the Sauna Place better is our uncompromising commitment to quality at every price range and our all-encompassing selection. We carefully curate the best models for every budget, If we sell it, you can trust it's the highest quality option in its class. From a modest 2-person starter sauna to an elaborate custom wellness suite, we ensure you get top value for your investment. Our showroom and online store feature industry-leading brands. We're authorized dealers for trusted names like Harvia, Finlandia, HUUM, and more, along with our own Heritage and Cedro lines. This means you have the widest range of choices in one place, each product vetted by our team of sauna experts. Because we maintain great relationships with manufacturers worldwide, our customers benefit from the latest products, reliable warranties, and expert knowledge that you won't find in a typical big box retailer or fly-by-night reseller. Every sauna we deliver is backed by our experience and our personal guarantee of quality and safety. We don't just sell saunas, we live and breathe the sauna lifestyle, and we want each customer to love their sauna as much as we do. In the end, the Sauna Place difference comes down to this. We offer the kind of experience, craftsmanship, and care you simply won't get elsewhere. Our team brings a unique blend of luxury and hometown warmth to the process, from helping you select the perfect model, to custom designing your Cedro dream sauna, to supporting you long after the purchase. New sauna buyer or veteran enthusiast, homeowner or business owner, everyone is welcome and well served at the Sauna Place. We invite you to experience our approach for yourself. Let us show you why the Sauna Place stands out as America's favorite source for quality saunas, where your wellness journey is guided by experts and every sauna is built to delight, with approachable service, decades of know-how, and an unwavering commitment to quality. The Sauna Place is simply different and better by design. Don't forget to subscribe and visit us at saunaplace.com, or you can give us a call at 931-516-6577. And as always, we'll see you soon.